Good afternoon all of you. Today we can start with physical pharmaceutic first, same third, practical. Aim of today's practical is to determine upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system. For that purpose, apparatus is in that first we have take hard glass test tube 20 ml. Then we have take for measuring of temperature we have take one thermometer. Then we have take one 10 ml measuring cylinder. For density determination purpose we have take density bottle. Chemical, in that chemical we have take phenol and distilled water. The aim of today's practical is to determine upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system. The upper consolidated temperature means the maximum temperature at which phenol and water are completely miscible to each other and there is formation of single phase. For that purpose we can start today's practical. I request to Shubhda, please start today's practical.
And add up to 4 ml of phenol in the test tube. I have added 2 ml of water inside the test tube. The two layers are formed. First is of water and second is of phenol. We have to heat the solution to get miscible this. Here, as you can see, two layers get miscible in one layer. We have to measure the temperature. The first temperature is 62 degrees Celsius. We have to cool down this test tube to measure the second temperature. As you can see, turbidity is formed. Let's measure the temperature. The second temperature is 58 degrees Celsius. We have to repeat this same procedure up to 10 times.
After taking 8 readings of phenol water system, we can start with our calculation part. Here, observation table. In that observation table, first table is weight of water. In that, each reading we have had 2 ml of increment of water means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. This 8 times water we have had in that of hard glass test. Second table is weight of water. Formula is W2 is equal to volume into density. Density of water is standard is 1, but we have calculated density of water, it is 1.002. Hence, we can calculate this W2 by multiplying volume of water 2 into density of water 1.002. We get 2.014. This same calculation we are doing for up to the 16 ml water we have added in that of hard glass test. After that, next column is percent weight by weight of phenol. The calculation of that percent weight by weight of phenol, here we have given formula is W1 divided by W1 plus W2 into 100. W1 is the weight of phenol. Weight of phenol is 4 gram. We have added in that hard glass test tube. W1 again here is weight of phenol plus W2. It is the weight of water we have added in each time in that of hard glass test tube. In that first reading, we have calculated weight of phenol. In that we have added W1 4 gram divided by W1 4 gram plus W2 is 2.014 into 100. W2 is the weight of water. We have taken this first reading of weight of water. We get final reading 66.55% weight by weight of phenol. This will be right in that of observation table. For each calculation, we can calculate for same calculation. We can calculate for 4 ml, 6 ml, 8 ml, 10 ml, 12 ml, 14 ml, 16 ml. We get these different values of percent weight by weight of phenol. 66.55%, 49.87%, we get last 90.91%. Then here is column of transition temperature. We have take T1 and T2 temperature. In that first T1 temperature, when we can add phenol in water, when we can heat in water bath, we get a clear solution. This temperature we have measured, it is called as T1. We get first reading is 58 degrees Celsius, and T2 temperature is when we keep this test tube aside, or when we can dip that test tube in water bath, cool water bath, we get turbidity in that of hard glass test tube. We get second reading is 52. Then we have to take temperature, it is called as transition temperature T1 and T2. Then we have to take mean of that these two temperature, 58 plus 52 divided by 2, we get 55 degrees Celsius. Means each time we have measured two temperature. One is T1, second is T2. T1 temperature it is for clear solution, phenol and water. T2 temperature for the when turbidity will be appear in that of test tube, we can measure second temperature. Up to that 8 reading we have measured the same temperature. We have seen that when we can add 2 ml of water, there is increasing temperature up to the certain limit. After that we have seen that again there is a decreasing temperature from that below side. Then next part is calculation part. After that there is a plot of graph. Then we can plot a graph of percent weight by weight of phenol versus transition temperature. From x-axis we have to take percent weight by weight of phenol, and this we have to take transition temperature. Then this transition temperature 55 and percent weight by weight of phenol is this value. This we have take on that x-axis and y-axis. Hence both the side there is marking. Hence 2 cm is equal to 10%. We have take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, here is 70. Highest value is our 66.55. Hence we have take percent weight by weight of phenol up to the 70. In that transition temperature, highest temperature is 69. Hence 2 cm is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. We have take here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and here is 70. After that we have plot this value is transition temperature versus percent weight by weight of phenol from that of observation table. First percent weight of phenol is 66.55 and transition temperature is 55. We have start from the downside. Percent weight by weight of phenol is 19.91. Means this value will become nearby 20. Means from this point temperature is 58 degrees Celsius. Means here is 50, here is 58. Then we have plot this type of plot. Then second is 22.30. Temperature is 61. Third point is 24.90. Temperature is 64. Then temperature is 66, 69. Then 63, 60. Here is 50. This type of dot we have drawn on that of graph paper for that of different percent weight by weight of phenol and for that of transition temperature mean. Then with the help of pencil we can attach this joint of this all the points. We get this type of curve, U-shaped curve. Our aim is to determine upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system. Upper consolidated temperature means that the maximum temperature at which phenol and water are completely miscible to each other. Hence, in this reading, maximum temperature is 69 degrees Celsius. This is our upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system. This is temperature, and this point we can extrapolate on that of percent weight by weight of phenol. Here, on that of temperature 69 degrees Celsius, temperature and percent weight by weight of phenol is 33.21%. Here is, we can write down 33.21% weight by weight of phenol, and here temperature is 69 degrees Celsius. It is called as upper consolidated temperature. Then your result is the upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system was found to be 69 degrees Celsius at 32.21% weight by weight of phenol. Here we can finish our first practical to determine upper consolidated temperature of phenol water system. Thank you.